Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by today. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. So for today's video, I am participating in another Look for Less challenge. I believe this is my fourth Look for Less challenge, and Yami from the Latina Next Door hosts this every month. She is a different co-host every month. This month her co-host is Marie from the Inspiration Vault. I will link both their channels down below so you can check them out. Also, there will be a playlist for this challenge and I will have that linked down below as well so you can check everyone else's Look for Less out. Now for my Look for Less, let's see what I did. Alright guys, so I ended up going on to potterybarn.com's website and looking around, and I landed on these beautiful Mercury glass orbs. I thought that they were so pretty and would look great in my home for the upcoming holiday season, but also after the holidays I could keep them out all year round. So they had two of them pictured on the Pottery Barn's website. Unfortunately though, I could not find where they sold both of them. I only found the medium-sized one that they sold for $29.50 on their website. Maybe they sell the larger one in the store, or it did say that this was a newer item, so maybe it's something that they are adding to their website sooner or later. So I don't know, but I fell in love with these and I thought that I could recreate both of them for a lesser cost than $29.50. So guys, I ended up going to my local Home Depot and getting these two glass globes that are replacement globes for light fixtures. I thought that they were the perfect size and shape to look like the ones from Pottery Barn. I picked up a 6-inch one for around $5 and picked up an 8-inch one for around $8. Now they do have a white coating on them. They are not clear glass, unfortunately. So I was really crossing my fingers hoping that the Mercury glass effect would work on them. And I think they did, which you will see here in a minute. Also, I was thinking that you could probably go to Goodwill or the thrift store and spend a lot less money on these globes because people do get rid of these light fixtures and things like that, and I have seen them there, but unfortunately this time I just did not have time to run to Goodwill or the thrift store to look for them. Also, probably fish bowls turned upside down in different sizes would probably work out the same to give you the same effect. And then also Dollar Tree has these little round vases that you could turn upside down, and for a smaller effect you could use those. So, but I ended up with these and I still came out under budget for this Look for Less. I ended up making these two pieces for the price of one of them from Pottery Barn. So I thought that was a great deal anyways. Alright, so for the Mercury glass effect, I ended up picking up this Rust-Oleum mirror effect spray paint. Now this spray paint is a little bit pricey. It did cost me around $8 for this can. However, I'm not using a lot of it for this project, so I will be able to get a few different projects out of this can. So the last thing I needed for the Mercury glass effect was a spray bottle filled with water and vinegar in a 1-to-1 ratio. And all I did with that mixture is spray it on top of my globes, and then I immediately took my mirror effect spray paint and sprayed it on top of that. Then I just waited a minute or so and I came back with a paper towel and blotted the excess water and vinegar droplets. And that's what gave me the Mercury glass effect. I repeated this step twice to make sure that both of the globes were fully covered, and then this is how they turned out. I think they are really pretty. I used the LED copper wire lights from Dollar Tree and I put them inside to give them a glowing effect, and I think they definitely mimic the ones from Pottery Barn, and I only spent the price of one of them to get both of these items. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and definitely check out Yami and Marie's channel linked down below in the playlist as well. Thank you to them for hosting this challenge. And that's it guys, I will see you next time. Take care, bye-bye.